Hey, Spinks from Quiet Cat here, and today we're going to show you how to install the Quick Connect puck so that you can easily attach your Quick Connect bag to your Quiet Cat bike. So the only tool you need for this job is a 5mm hex wrench found in any of our toolkits. Today we're going to use our 5mm T-handle from our professional toolkit. The Quiet Cat Quick Connect puck can easily attach to any 20mm diameter tubing on the bikes, on the trailers, on the racks, or wherever it fits for you. Today we're going to show you how it installs on this Quick Connect pannier rack so that you can easily put the bag on any of our bikes, including the full suspension Jeep bike you see here today. The first thing we'll do after we take it out of the packaging is use our 5mm wrench and loosen up these 4 bolts to free the bracket in the rear. So now we'll go ahead and place the puck right onto the bar in the position that we want it. Go ahead and line up the back plate. Just kind of hold that in place. Grab one of our bolts. And just by hand, we'll start to get that threaded in. And we just want to twist it until that bolt catches. And we'll go ahead and grab another one and we'll do that cross point to make sure everything gets lined up nicely. Now we'll get the next 2 bolts into place. Again, just loosely thread them on in to make sure they line up. It's always best to start by finger tightening. That way you ensure you don't cross thread these, as this aluminum is not super strong and can cross thread pretty easily. So now that we've got all 4 bolts started, we'll go ahead and verify the position to make sure we're all lined up, and then we'll slowly start driving these down. What you want to be aware of is the gap between the plate and the bracket on the back end, and you want to make sure that that gap stays even so that you've got even torque from all 4 bolts squeezing against, and you don't have it at some weird V'd angle. Looks like this side has come a little tight, so I'm going to loosen that just a little bit, give it a little bit of room so I can match it up with the other side. Now once we've got it kind of snug, before we go tightening it down, we want to verify the position. We also want to check and see if we want it to be twisted in any different way so that we can make sure that we're oriented in exactly the right spot so that the bag sits nice and flush to the frame. Once we've got our position in place, we'll go ahead and switch from the round end to the solid end of our tool if you're using the T-handle in the Pro kit, and we'll go ahead and give each one of these that final quarter to half turn. Looks like we're in pretty good shape. We can go ahead and check and make sure that our bag is aligned. Go ahead and set the bag on the keyed section. And that looks pretty good. The Quick Connect puck is the perfect accessory to attach the Quick Connect bag to the bike, to the frame, to the trailers, or anywhere that works best for you. All you need is a 20mm diameter tube, and the puck easily connects. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you out on the trail.